Hello students, relax, sit back and listen to a math class. In today's class, we are going to do a problem based on Bayes' theorem. So, Bayes' theorem. Suppose A1, A2, An are n mutually exclusive and exhaustive events such that probability of these events is always greater than 0, and let B be any event with probability of B also greater than 0, then probability of P of Ai given B equal to P of Ai into P of B by Ai divided by P of A1 into P of B by A1 till An. Okay, this is the formula of Bayes' theorem. So here this A1, A2, An are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Mutually exclusive and exhaustive events means their union will be equal to the sample space S, and they are disjoint. They won't occur simultaneously. They won't occur at the same time. Okay, and B be any event. Okay, so now we are writing a formula based on both of these. Comparing this A with this B, A1 with this B, we are combining this. So, P of probability of Ai given B. So, A1 given B, A2 given B. Okay, A given B equal to this formula. A factory has two machines, 1 and 2. Machine 1 produce 30% of items and machine 2 produce 70% of items respectively. The defective items produced by machine 1 is 3% and machine 2 is 4%. An item is drawn at random. If the drawn item is defective, find the probability it is produced by machine 2. Right. So, solution. There are two machines. Let A1 denotes the event of choosing an item from machine 1 and A2 denotes the event of choosing an item from machine 2. B be an event of taking out a defective item. So here you have to find the probability of taking out a defective item from machine 2. So A2 denotes machine 2 and B denotes the defective item. So by Bayes' theorem, P of A2 by B equal to P of A2 into P of B given A2 has given A2. In a similar way, P of A1 into P of B by A1 plus P of A2 into P of B by A2. So first we have to find the probability of A1, next probability of A2. So probability of A1 is machine 1 denotes A1. So machine 1 produce 30%, 30 by 100. Machine 2 produce 70%. So 70 by 100. Next what we have to find? Probability of B by A2 and B by A1. So probability of B by A1. B denotes the defective items, A1 given, A1 denotes the machine 1. So, the defective items, machine 1, the defective items produced by machine 1 is 3%. So, 3 by 100. Next, P of B by A2. So, B denotes the defective item, A2 denotes the machine 2. So, 4%. Defective item produced by defective item given A2 has already occurred. Here you have to substitute the values. So P of A2 is 70 by 100, 70 by 100 into B by A2 is 4 by 100 by here A1, P of A1 is 30 by 100, 30 by 100 into B by A1 is 3 by 100, so 3 by 100 plus P of A2 is 70 by 100, so 70 by 100. P of B by A2 is 4 by 100, so 4 by 100. 70 into 4. 7 fours are 28. So 280. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. By here 30 into 3, 90. By 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 70 into 4, 280. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 280 by 1, 2, 3, 4 by. You can add these two since denominator are same. You can add these values. So 90 plus 280, 70, 370. So by further simplification, you will get 28 by 37. So here we are finding the there are two machines, machine 1 and machine 2. Machine 1 produces 30% of the item and machine 2 produce 70%. The defective items produced by machine 1 is 3 by 100 and the defective items produced by machine 2 is 4 by 100. And here you have to find the probability. You are taking out an item and that item is a defective item. You have to find that item has been taken out from machine. What is the probability of taking out the defective item from machine 2? Found it by applying the Bayes theorem. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to both school and college maths. Thank you.